Sample problem on compound curves. So another sample problem, no. So medyo marami na tayong na-upload ng mga sample problems on compound curves. So browse nyo lang dun sa playlist natin on curves and earthworks. So basahin lang natin yung sample problem natin. Compound curve has the following details na given, no. So we have station PC is at 11 plus 280 and station PT is at 11 plus 562.75. So again, no, yung meaning ng stationing natin is that ito yung para sa kilometers, ito naman yung para sa meters, no. So ito yung figure natin. We have yun yung mga usual na mga components or parts ng compound curve natin. So we have PC, PCC, and PT. Ito yung meron tayong radius 2 and then meron tayong radius 1. Pero anyway, hindi naman given yung mga details na to. So pwede nating skip na lang muna dito sa part ng problem natin. Importante, meron tayong PT and meron tayong PC na stations. Yung PCC is hindi rin given. And then we have the length of the first curve and then length of the second curve, LC2. So, pinapanap sa atin dito is the length of the total curve or total na curve length. Okay? So, in total na yan is just basically LT is just equivalent lang dun sa summation, no, ng dalawang curves natin. So, we have LC1 plus LC2. So, paano ba natin yan makukuha? Since meron tayong given na stations ng PT and PC, yung difference lang nung dalawa na yan, yung difference ng PT tsaka PC ay yun na yung LT natin. Kasi nga, pag kumukuha tayo ng stationing, kunwari, meron tayong given na PC, tapos gusto natin kunin si PCC, magiging ano lang yan, no? Station PC plus LC1 equals PCC. Tapos pag gusto naman natin kunin si PT, so we have PCC plus LC2 equals PT. So ngayon baliktad yung nangyayari. Given na yung PT tsaka PC, kukunin na lang natin yung length of curves in between. So we have LT is just equivalent to station PT minus your station PC. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given na values. So, we have, lagyan natin ng parentheses, 11 plus 562.75 minus 11 plus 280. Yan. So, since same kilometer lang sila, 11. So, pwede lang na i-subtract natin dito is yung dalawa lang, no? Yeah, 562.75 minus 280. Or pwede rin naman na isalin nyo yung 11. So, that's 11 kilometers and 562.75 minus 11 kilometers plus 280. Or, para hindi tayo malito, pwede yung plus gawin natin comma. Tapos yun, execute na yung operation na subtraction. So, we have LT. Dito tayo sa calculator natin. LT is equivalent sa 282.75. So, that's 282.75 meters. So, double check na lang sa calculator nyo and then if mali, so, comment nyo na lang yung tamang sagot, no? Pero tingin ko, tama na to, no? Dinouble check na natin yung calculator natin dito. Okay, so, ito lang, madali lang, no? So, another sample problem na nakaka-insulto dun sa mga matatalino. So, anyway, yun na yun para sa sample problem na to and thank you again for watching and see you sa mga next na mga sample problems natin.